Hey, sixth grade, it's Mr. D-Man back. We are going to begin object number 7. And on this one, we are again going to use the additive way of making, meaning we are going to add sections to it as we go. So let's start by getting rid of Yahoo here. And I can tell by looking at the object that it is actually 3 inches in width. When you look across the entire width, it is 3 inches, and it is 4 inches deep. So anyway, the first section that we see, the larger section of it, is 1 wide, and then it is 4 deep, and then we'll pull that to be 4 inches high. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make this 1. Let's get that straight. 1, comma, 4, and enter. And now I'll go down to my zoom extends, and comes up. After you extend, you'll notice, my cursor is in the orbit position, so I can orbit right away. This is a little bit large, so I'm going to go ahead, grab my zoom tool, and make that smaller. And now I'm going to pan, move that this way. Very nice. Now, this section here needs to be 4 inches high. So I'm going to grab my push-pull, put it on that surface, click one time and start pulling up. Don't click a second time, and make that 4. And let me zoom that out a little. And I'm going to pan it this direction. And now you can see we have kind of that back portion to the part. So now we just need to get this part that's going to go right here, that's going to come out this direction. So I'm going to grab my rectangle tool. I'm going to start on this corner here. Now, as I draw this, I want to pay attention to the dimensions down here, okay? Because whatever number is first, we need to know, is that height or is that width? And so this needs to be, as I can see on the plans, it needs to be 3 inches high. So I'm going to type in, because the larger number down in my dimensions is a 2. So I'm going to make that the 3, and comma, and then 1, and enter. And now we use our push-pull tool. I'm going to come to this, and we need to pull that out 2, and enter. And that is our part. So I'm going to go here to save. You will name it Object 7. I am going to have to make mine Object 7.1. And once again, after you put it in your folder, then you will need to take a screenshot and put it on the appropriate slide in the slideshow. Okay, so another fantastic job, and I will be back for part 8.